Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the storage space on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Finding out about your Chromebook storage is easy. Start by clicking the launcher icon from the bottom left of the screen. Select Settings. In Settings, select Device, and then click Storage Management. Here you can see how much storage has been used and how much is still available. Below you can see what is taking up your space, from Files, Data, Apps and System Files. Click on Files or Apps to be taken to them, where you can easily remove them to free up space. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.